My DMs are full of these questions, and honestly, you ask almost the same questions every single time. So today, I'm gonna answer the most asked questions about MBBS in Russia. Question 1. So who is eligible for MBBS in Russia? You need to be qualified in NEET and you need to get 50% marks in physics, chemistry and bio. Question 2. So is NEET compulsory for MBBS in Russia? Yes, 100%. As per Indian government rules, you need to clear NEET to be eligible to appear in exams like FMG or NEXT in India. So next question is, how do you do internship and how long is the internship? So basically you have 6 years in Russia, 5 years are for academics and 1 year is for internship. Then later you come back to India, you clear your exam and then you have to do an extra year of internship in India. That's according to NMC rules. Always verify it from the NMC website. So are the classes in English? Yes, the international program in Russian universities are mostly conducted in English. And also there are Russian language classes available and they're highly recommended. This is the most asked question. How much does it cost? So basically it is significantly less than the Indian private medical colleges. The tuition fee, the hostel, the mess, the food, the travel, the visa, everything, it's not very costly. It's totally manageable by middle class families in India. The total cost may vary according to the university, but MedC Education gives you a total transparent cost breakdown and it's for free. Can I practice in India or in other countries? Yeah. In India, you have to clear FMG or next exam to practice. You will get license and then you can be a real doctor in India. Or if you want to move to other countries like UK, USA and Australia, you can give the exams of their countries and then you can practice there as well. These were the most asked questions that I just answered. Also, if you have more questions, you can drop them in comments below. I read every single one of them. Or you can contact DM MedC Education for a personalized free counseling session. The link is in bio as well.